A friend of mine makes over 500,000 naira every day working online. I'm telling you, the amazing thing is that it's just written jobs she does and they are not tedious. Anyone can absolutely do these written jobs. You've got ChatGPT, you've got a lot of AI platforms that can help you to write if you're not chanced to write yourself. Yes, you heard me right. And the amazing thing is that they pay in dollars and they pay huge. So if you've been looking for ways to earning money online, or perhaps you've been hearing about it and you think it's not easy, or you think it's difficult, or you think it's impossible, please draw close, carry your Coke, your Fanta, your chair, and sit down, because this video is for you. But before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel. I bring you amazing updates on how you can earn online. Turn on your notification bell as well so that you can know when I drop new and recent videos. This 2025, we must change our story. Now that you're following me, let's ride and dive into the topic of today. So the number one platform we're going to be looking at today is called bots.greenhouse.io. bots.greenhouse.io. So bots.greenhouse.io pays you for transcription jobs. So if you're a good listener, you're someone that likes listening very well, and you know you can transcribe very well, you can pick sounds and then convert it to words, which is writing. Yeah, you can just log into bots.greenhouse.io or sign up to get an account for yourself and start earning money. The thing is that they pay very well. You know, when you compare the current rate of the dollar to naira, you know that it's actually very, very profitable getting jobs on platforms like this that will pay you in dollars. Another important site that I must not fail to mention is called FlexJob. Like the name implies, it's just flexing, and you have all industry jobs available there, from written to design to video editing to content creation to graph. Whatever job you can think of that you can do online, you have it on FlexJobs. We're going to flex this year. Please carry your phone and log into FlexJob or create an account with FlexJob. Let's start earning huge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video, comment on this video. If you're having issues, difficulty creating accounts with this site, please don't forget to hit me up and I'll put you through to the next step. And also share this video so you can get to someone who is also having, doubts about remote jobs. Let's change our lives together. Thank you so much for watching this video.